Marketed as the world's most intelligent loudspeaker, the Biolab 90 from Bang & Olufsen is a made-to-order, a customizable speaker that can adjust to your living space and listening preferences. Using the most advanced digital signal processing, the loudspeaker promises the ultimate sound delivery no matter the situation. The speaker has a sound quality that simply has to be experienced to understand. After extensive research and design over 3 years, the Biolab 90 was created to provide the most powerful sound experience possible with a quality and range that is unsurpassed. Blending world-class design and acoustics with a massive 8,200 watts per speaker, it is a sound event that surpasses all others. This is a speaker that is intelligent and highly adaptable. The sleek yet geometric styling of the speaker's outer case lends itself to an almost futuristic or otherworldly quality. So advanced is the superior styling that looks like something from the future. The Biolab 90 stands alone not only in terms of sound experience, but it excels in its design specification. Car or a plane? With Airmobile Flying Car, there's no need to decide. Shown off at Paris Air Show, the bizarre beast is capable of driving on normal roads in car mode at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, but its huge fold-out wings and rear propeller allow it to make it to the skies too. It will be able to soar a distance of about 750 kilometers before returning to Earth in car mode. Airmobile expects the car to cost somewhere around 1.6 million mark when it goes on sale in 2020. It's made from a combination of composite materials and carbon fiber to help keep the weight down. The wings measure about 26 feet in length but can be folded away when you are driving in car mode. The rear propeller also folds away, meaning you are much less likely to have accidentally slice and dice passing pedestrians. The passenger compartment is made from a single piece of molded carbon fiber, and the regular internal combustion engine will take the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 10 seconds. The Russian startup Hoversurf is making flying as easy as riding a bike. The ETA-S, that's Air Transport as a Service company, have just unveiled the first commercial hover bike that world has ever seen. The Scorpion 3 is a fully manned quadcopter that aims to make flying accessible to the masses. The unique electric-powered vessel combines a motorcycle seat with a quadcopter drone technology, bringing speed, agility, and stability of flight to the hands of both amateur and professional navigators. Hoversurf has designed the craft to reassemble a compact dirt bike in size and shape with its frame based on a motorcycle concept. The end product is a machine that more or less surfs through the air by changing altitude and direction. The hover bike has been designed with diverse conditions in mind. The employs inbuilt software for full manual and automated control. In case you need some reassurance, the platform is equipped with a safety system powered by state-of-the-art flight controllers. Just when you think you have seen everything gaming laptops have to offer, along comes something like the Acer Predator 21X. Weighing a ridiculous 18.6 pounds, the Predator 21X is an exercise in immodest overindulgence that you can get behind. Priced at $9,000, this is the first laptop to feature a curved display, and when combined with Toby's eye-tracking technology, makes for a seriously immersive gaming experience. This machine is so premium that Acer is making only 300 of them. But Acer didn't stop there. It outfitted the 21-inch laptop with an overclockable Intel Core i7 processor and two NVIDIA GTX 1050 GPUs in an SLI configuration and a pair of 512GB SSDs. The 21X also features a customizable maintenance panel, an enhanced cooling system, and one of the best mechanical keyboards you could have ever typed on. At $120,000 a pair, and with the optional stand costing a further $12,000, Focal claims to have made the most expensive headphones on the planet. Focal is known for their audiophile headphones, with exquisitely produced drivers that deliver beautiful and lush yet accurate sound. Tornare possesses the internal make of the original focal Utopia while displaying an exterior that is simply unmatched in elegance and grace. These headphones are covered in 18 karat gold and 6.5 carats of diamonds. However, these jewels have a lot more to them than their flashy exterior. Tornare jewels have been renowned for many years for their symbolic and atypical designs. The same is said for their aesthetically pleasing audiophile headphone Utopia. The special edition features the universal sound that link the past, the present, and the future, represented respectively by a square and a triangle and a circle of abundance. Tornare by Utopia is extremely hard to obtain since there are only 8 made in total and 2 have already been sold according to the Focal's team.